There is a timeline of completion. Unfortunately, there is a delay. Am I satisfied with the hospital? No. Am I satisfied with the progress that has been made since taking my seat? Yes. I listed a list of accomplishments from the hospital to now. So the hospital started 4 years ago. I've been in my seat 16 months. And I can sit and show you a list of accomplishments within the last 16 months that have taken place with the hospital, including last week or 2 weeks ago, the biggest pour in St. Maarten history. So I created quarterly meetings with the hospital. We create hard deadlines moving forward. I would love for the hospital to be built already, but I'm dealing with the situation now, and I'm trying my best with it. So we have seen progress. One thing, I have committed transparency to the people on every aspect of the project that is related to me. The next stage, in which I have stated in an article publicly, is now I want to see more increase. Since 3 months ago, there was an increase of, I would say, on my calculation, of about 15 new workers. I told them that I would like to see now double to triple the amount in the next coming, I have 2 more months to meet with them. So we are making progress. We are getting there. Am I satisfied? No. I don't think no one is satisfied over the last 4 years. But for the last 16 months, I can show where the hospital has made tremendous progress. I wouldn't say in relations with Panama is the fact that indeed Colombia at the time, at the height of COVID, was only accepting vaccinated persons. However, we needed an option, so Panama was accepting. Panama, now Colombia has opened back to us, so we can send other than vaccinated persons. We can send unvaccinated persons to Colombia. We can. Hence the decision to now, okay, after this set that is there, to pull back out of Panama, for not only for financial reasons as well. Yeah, but go ahead.
At the same time, Minister, can you also address what would happen to the persons that have operated, for example, had surgeries or have to have follow-up treatment in Panama? As you answer, kindly also include that.
Yes. So, of course, we have to do it in a humane manner. So persons that are in Panama right now, as long as the hospital or the doctor's observations is that the persons need to remain, they will remain for the time being. If there's follow-ups, we would consider, depending on what it is, we would indeed honor that follow-up. But the idea is to phase out of Panama and move back to our regular scheduled program, for lack of a better words, to Colombia, as Panama is indeed higher.